In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off AirDrop on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. So if you're using iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to use AirDrop to share contacts, documents, and data on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through. If at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on or enable AirDrop on your iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Once you selected General, I want to scroll down as well. Then locate AirDrop and click on that. Now once you click on AirDrop, you'll see your AirDrop is even turned off, and if all these are turned off, this is probably what you're gonna see. Then go ahead and choose how you want to use the AirDrop, whether you want to use it on contacts only or you want to enable AirDrop for everybody or everyone for at least 10 minutes. For at most 10 minutes. Then once you selected that, make sure you turn on bringing devices together. So this is going to make the AirDrop to work whenever you put two iPhone with AirDrop feature together to transfer data. You can also turn on use mobile data. This is going to ensure that you keep transferring your data over AirDrop even if you are far away. Then once that is enabled, you can just exit the page. Then you have successfully turned on AirDrop on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. To disable AirDrop, just go here and tap receive it off, even without disabling all the setup. This is going to turn off the AirDrop on your iPhone. Then another way you can use to turn on AirDrop on iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone control center, swipe down like this, then locate connectivity. This is on iOS 18, so if you are using iOS 17.5 or 17, you should see the AirDrop on your control center page like this. So for iOS 18, make sure you added connectivity to your control center. To do this, just press and hold like this, click on add a control, then scroll down until you get to connectivity and tap it once. So this is going to add connectivity to your control center, but because I've added the connectivity to my control center here, I'm just going to go ahead and disable this. Then once added, open the connectivity by pressing and holding it, then go ahead and click on AirDrop. Once you click on that, you should see your option here, the option to receive AirDrop from your contacts only or to turn on AirDrop for everyone for just 10 minutes. So choose whatever that pleases you here. Most especially if you are receiving data from someone you do not save his content on your phone, turn on for everyone, and that is going to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone. So that's how you can really turn on AirDrop on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.